What are some ideas to have a recovery after plastic surgery, after liposuction, that's more holistic? I want to share information about that today. My name is Kathleen Lisson. I'm a certified lymphedema therapist and board certified massage therapist. I have a practice in San Diego, and I'm the author of the Plastic Surgery Recovery Handbook. And this is available in paperback in both English and Spanish. And I want to talk about the idea that so many people have after plastic surgery. The big question is what pills should I take? What supplements should I take? Basically, what can I put in my mouth to help with my recovery? And I want to kind of expand your focus and get you thinking a little bit more creatively today. What can we put in our eyes? What can we put in our ears? What can we put in our nose? It's not just our mouth and the things we can put in our mouth that will really help recovery. So let me talk and show you a few things. So maybe the first thing I'll do is you can look behind me, and that's one of the several pictures I have. We're here in my living room, and this is kind of just another idea of what can we put in our eyes. And this is just this really peaceful shot of the beach, and I live by the beach, so also going out and watching the ocean waves if you're near the ocean would be a great way to help relax and recover after plastic surgery. And then also, what don't you put in your eyes? So this is just a cheapo mask, and it's actually getting a little stretched. I need a new one. And this is something they give you on the international flights, an eye mask, so you can close your eyes, so you can go to sleep in the middle of the day at hours that are unfamiliar with you. So that may be exactly what we're talking about. After plastic surgery, you're going to need more sleep. You're going to need, in that week, to take a nap in the afternoon when it's light out, and the eye mask may help. And then what about, what we can smell that will help us feel more relaxed? So this is one of my favorite candles. We have a rotation of candles that are in our living room at night. This one is rose water and ivy. Just a simple candle, you can watch it burn. That can be very mesmerizing. And just the gentle scent coming in can be another thing that signals your body, it's time to heal, it's time to recuperate, it's time to get better and relax getting better. And then this is one of my favorites. I wish you were here so you can smell it. It's lavender, just a little simple lavender sachet. I take this when I speak at conferences. I take this, and it's near the pillow in the hotel, and I also leave it near my bed. And the lavender is very relaxing, very gentle scent. And you can get lavender in lotion, you can get lavender essential oil, you can get a lavender sachet. And the lavender is when you smell it, it's very relaxing. It's definitely, I think all of these things, all of these ideas are nothing that, your surgeon might say, don't do that right before or right after surgery. All of these are things that you can do, the day of surgery, the day before surgery, the day after surgery, to help just relax you and put your body in the best state that it can be to recover. So I hope, a little bit of thinking out of the box here today, and kind of just to give you some inspiration to look in your own life, in your own cabinet. What can you do to put relaxation into your body that is more than, just trying to take another supplement that perhaps your surgeon won't let you take right before or right after surgery. Okay, so have a great day. Bye-bye.